everyone, this video is dedicated to showing you how to add your favorite sources of videos, TV shows, etc. directly to your home screen on your iPad, on your iPad's XBMC Touched skin. As you can see here, I have an example for the one channel Ice Films Project Free TV. Okay, so let's get started. This is what your skin looks like from the beginning. You have your 4 options, and then you have pretty much your favorites right here, which you can add things like NaviX and whatever else you want to add there, which doesn't really help much because you still have to click things twice. So what we're going to do is click on Settings, Appearance, then we're going to go to Settings, and then we're going to click on Add-ons. And then we're going to add shortcuts. So here we're going to add one channel, shortcut number 2. We're going to add Ice Films, shortcut number 3. We're going to add karaoke, shortcut number 4. And add free TV. Alright, then we're going to go home. And let's hide some of these items that I know we don't use. And alright, let's go back home. Let's see what it looks like. There you go. We just added 4 shortcuts directly to the home screen. And now let's test them out. There you go. Works perfectly. That's how you add shortcuts directly to your home screen on your touch skin for XBMC on your iPad, iPhone, and iPod Touch. Thanks for watching. Please watch the other videos to see how you do it for the other skins. Have a good one.